Hi friends, welcome to KPB Coding Hub. In the last videos, we have seen up to pattern number 48. Okay, now we are going to discuss about pattern number 49. It is the same like a previous pattern, but the only change is, so in this style, I want to print in reverse direction. So what is that reverse direction? First, I need 5 5s. Next, I want 4 4s. Next, I want 3 3s. Next, I want 2 2s. Next, I want to take 1 1. Okay. How to do that? Sir, program is the same like previous program. 1 comma, I have taken 5 plus 1. And in the place of if you print J, we are going to get output like 1 2 1 2 3 4 5, but I don't want ij, I want to print I. Then what is the output that we are getting? 1 2 3 4 5 like this. I don't want from 1 to 5th row, I want from 5th row to first row. So what modification here, right? The beginning value is nothing but 5, the ending value is 0. That means it will stop one step before, that means it will stop at 1 itself. But please make sure the step value we have to provide -1. So let us trace this. When the value of I is equal to 5, what will be your j values? 1 to 5 plus 1, that means 1 to 6. We will get how many values? 5 values. In these 5 places, we are printing the value of 5. That means we will get, so 5 5 5 5 5 like this. This process will be repeated. If we want, let me cross check whether we are getting that output or not. Yes. If you want to increase, you can increase these row values also, no issues at all. Okay, if we want, we can increase that row values also, no problem at all. This is the way how to generate this kind of patterns. Okay, right. Thank you.